Here's how to remove your Gmail account from other devices. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can remove your Gmail account from other devices. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. It's very simple. Just go and open up your Gmail. So I'm just going to do that. And just make sure that you're logged into your account that you're using, and you just want to make sure that it has like other devices. But what you need to do is just simply tap on your logo or name, whatever your name it has in the top corner. You will be able to see it. Mine has A, but you just gotta go ahead and press on that, and you'll see some options, but you just gotta go ahead and press on manage your Google account. Once you do that, you'll see some more information, but you just gotta go and swipe right until you see the option of security. So what you need to do is just go ahead and press on security and scroll down just like that, and until you see your devices. So just press on your devices, and it's just gonna show you all the devices that are using your Gmail account. So let's say if I want to remove this phone right over here, it says OnePlus Android phone. So I'm just gonna go ahead and press on this arrow right over here, and here as you can see it says sign out, find device. So you just gotta go ahead and press sign out, and once you press sign out, it will say sign out, and you just gotta confirm. I don't want to actually take it out from my account, but if you want to do that, just press on sign out, confirm, and it will be removed. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can remove your Gmail account from other devices. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.